Thank you on behalf of the government and the people of Fiji for this continuous assistance, especially in the area of agriculture and in this instance, our sugarcane farm. All these machines that we are going to purchase out of this grant will no doubt, of course, assist our farmers, making things easier for them, but it also will cut down the cost of operation in the area. Thank you very much for all this great assistance. And I want to, at some stage, thank the Prime Minister, Prime Minister Modi, for his continued assistance. Bainimarama.
Thank you. It's really a pleasure to be here today morning. We have a special relations. Fiji and India, we carry very, very close bonds with each other, and we highly estimate our relations with Fiji. We are partners in a development process. I would like to first congratulate Fiji Prime Minister for a very successful COP23, which was happened just last month.
Thank you.
So, and I am sure under your dynamic leadership, Prime Minister, definitely the COP23 objectives will be fulfilled soon. We give a lot of importance for agriculture sector cooperation, and today's assistance which is being provided by Government of India is for that. And from this assistance, the equipments which are required by the Fiji Sugar Corporation, those will be sourced, and definitely that will be helpful for development in Fijian agriculture. And definitely we will be ready to provide all possible support in the railway network development also. So thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you.